Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am in Chilliwack, BC at a dairy farm, and I just got to show you these really cute cows. And I mean, look at the view of this place. Look at that, nestled in the mountains of Chilliwack, just off Highway 1. It's just beautiful. Look at that. Let's go for a walk and explore. Oh, look at them, they're so cute. Hi, this is Flopsy. This is Yoshi, the white one. This is Trisha. Hi, Trisha. And there's Avril. These are dairy cows. Hi. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And their tags have their names on them. This is Trixie. Hi, Trixie. Oh, look at them. Ginger. Aw, Ginger. I love your name. Wow, look at this place. It doesn't smell very good, as you can imagine, but it's huge. What a beautiful farm. I don't drink cow's milk, so we can be friends. Look at all of them. Looks like they're wearing earrings. So cute they are. Look at this little one. Hi. Wow, really nice, beautiful barn. You guys have a beautiful view. Ah, La Vaca. Ooh, very stinky. But you guys are so cute. Hi, Avril. What's your name? Tara. Hi, Tara. Aw, you're just chilling there. It looks like this one's got an itch she can't scratch. I hate when that happens. There's Flopsy. Hi, Flopsy. And there's Avril again. It's a beautiful afternoon, early evening in Chilliwack. Actually, we are in Hope, BC. My bad. We are just on the outskirts of Chilliwack. Look at this tree-lined driveway to this farm. Corn is coming in. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that driveway. That's the Wi-Fi guy. You know, every farm needs a couple of dogs. This is Jake. He's 4 months old. Little Rottweiler. Hi, Jake. Jake. Hi. Hi, Jake.